Hi, are you having problem with the speed of your computer?
I'm having problems with the speed of my computer!
We have a solution for that. It's called
RAID! This RAID?
not that RAID.
This RAID! So what is RAID? RAID is short for Redundant Array of Independent Disks. In this video, we will define the two kinds of RAID, which is stripe and mirror. In stripe, the data saved will be divided into parts depending on how many hard drives you have in the RAID. The disadvantage of this is when one of those hard drives malfunctions, you will lose all the data you saved. In the second type, which is mirror, the data will be saved will be copied and saved in all of those hard drives in the RAID. And even though one hard drive malfunctions, the data will still be there and will still be usable.
Well, now we will tell you how to set up RAID. First, we need to have two hard drives. If it could be of the same size, even it's not the same size, you can still use RAID. But it's most recommended that you use two hard drives to the same size, so there won't be a conflict saving your data. So in this case, we're using SATA drives using this cable to connect this one SATA hard drive and the other SATA hard drive. By the way, guys, there are two types of hard drives. It's either SATA drive or IDE drive. So before you buy your hard drive, be sure to know what your motherboard supports.
Now to set up your RAID, first go to your BIOS. We're using an Asus motherboard, so we press delete. Now just scroll through the selections and go to IDE configuration and press enter. Here you'll see onboard PCI IDE controller and SATA mode selection. Choose the one on the bottom. Now you'll see this. From IDE RAID AHCI, choose the obvious, RAID. Now you've done that, just go back and then save. Now just wait for the system to boot up, and we will proceed to the next. Password again. And the system boots up again, and
First control.
Now to check the performance of your computer, we can use this benchmarking tool called Crystal Disk Mark. As you can see, it will tell you the reading and writing speed of your computer. Note that we are benchmarking this computer on its default settings without RAID. Now to benchmark our RAID 0 setting. This will usually take a few minutes, and now here we have our final results. And here is the final result of the performance check of RAID 1.